Hey everyone, welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel. In this session, we will learn how to use update query in PostgreSQL. But before we begin, let me tell you guys that we have daily updates on multiple technologies. If you're a tech geek in a continuous hunt for latest technological trends, then consider getting subscribed to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. Now without further ado, let's get started with our one-point agenda, that is how to use update query in PostgreSQL. Now we are on the pgadmin 4 so that we can execute our PostgreSQL commands. This is similar to the MySQL workbench which we usually use for the SQL. Since this is the PostgreSQL, pgadmin is the best one. Now let's start our query. So we have the query tool opened. Now, before we run the update query, let's try to create some tables. So let's create the simple employee table. So we have the SQL-like query here, which is create keyword, table keyword, and the user-defined table name, that is the employee, and the parameters which we will be having, or the column headers we will be having, are employee name, employee ID, employee department, salary, and address. Let's execute the command by pressing the F5 key. There you go, the table got successfully created, and our next step would be to add the information into this particular table. We can use the insert command for the same. There you go, so we are using the same insert into keywords, completely similar to the SQL queries, and here we have employee table name and the parameters or the column headers, which are the employee name, ID, department, salary, and address. So next is the values keyword, and we will be entering the comma separated values. Each and every tuple, right, each and every row is separated by a comma, and at the end we don't have to use the comma because this is the indication which states this is the end of the row, right? Now let's run this particular command by pressing the F5 key. There you go. Now let's quickly check our table using the select command. Select star from employee semicolon F5. So this is the data that we have in our table right now. Now what is the update query? Now let's understand the update query in much more detail here. So this is the set of employees that are working in your company, and let's say there is some error in certain row. Let's say the employee ID is wrong, or let's say you are going to conduct a hike session. Let's say Rishabh performed really well and Rishabh needs a hike. His current salary is 18,000 and he wants to improvise or upgrade his salary to 20,000, right? That's when the update command comes into picture. Now let's discuss the syntax for update command. So the syntax is as follows. We having the update key, then the user-defined table name, then the set keyword, and followed by that the column name and the value. Then we have the where clause. Now let's say we wanted to improve Rishabh's salary. So update keyword, then the employee, which is the table name. After that we have the set keyword, followed by that the column name, which is salary equals to value. Currently it is 18,000. Let's say we want to increase it to 20,000. Then we have to use 20,000 number in the value place. Then we have the where clause, followed by that we have the condition. Where exactly we want to change it? Where the employee ID is equals to the employee ID of Rishabh, right? Now let's practically see that on pgadmin 4. There you go, we have the update keyword, employee, which is user defined table name, set keyword, employee salary is the column we want to change, then the value will be 20,000 since it is currently 18,000, and where condition, and the clause is where employee ID is equals to 1001, right? This is the ID of Rishabh. Now let's quickly execute this command and see the output. F5 is the shortcut key to execute the commands in pgadmin. And now let's try to execute this command once again to check if the table is updated or not. Select star from employee F5, and there you go. The current salary of Rishabh is 20,000. Here it is. So that's how you use the update command in PostgreSQL. With that, we have come to an end of this session on PostgreSQL update command. If you have any queries regarding any of the topics covered in this session, then do let us know in the comment section below, and our team of experts will be more than happy to resolve all your queries at the earliest. Until next time, thank you, stay safe, and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.